On August 22, 2025, Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police responded after a commercial flight was forced to return to the gate due to a single disruptive passenger on board. The subject allegedly refused to wear a seatbelt and engaged in physical confrontations with crew and other passengers. Officers were dispatched to remove him. What happened on the jet bridge is what this analysis examines.
The flight returned because there's a passenger that's on the aircraft that was intoxicated. Apparently they weren't wearing their seatbelt and they kept throwing up. Flight attendant asked them why not wearing their seatbelt. Then they got into the flight chases either way for the flight to happen. But you guys know.
So real quick, are they cooperative enough where you guys can bring them off the aircraft, or do we need to deplane the aircraft?
Well, she said that she doesn't want to get them off until you guys get here.
Okay, so if you guys want to bring him off, that's fine. If not, we need to deboard.
Okay, so you just speak with them and then see exactly.
Okay.
Y'all able to escort them off, or if you want to come off, or?
And he's physically coming towards them and giving them a hard time, kind of falling over, so it's probably best if we deboard.
Yeah, we need to deplane. Yeah, we're not going to go in there and get in with people on board the aircraft. Okay.
Officers made the correct first call. They declined to board the occupied aircraft. Forcing a non-compliant individual through a narrow aisle with bystanders present creates unacceptable risk to passengers and officers alike. That decision was both tactically sound and legally defensible. By the time the subject stepped off, the aircraft officers already had probable cause under Title 49 United States Code, Section 46318, the federal statute prohibiting interference with flight crew. A verbal report from the crew alone is sufficient to meet that threshold.
Hey, quick question. Are we getting everybody off? Or just him?
Try again, you had a background?
So if we can get everybody off and just leave him on there, we can go in there and deal with him. Or if he walks out with everybody, we can get him right then. It doesn't matter. Either way,
Or can we just get him off? Yeah, that's what
we just need somebody to point him out to us whenever he does.
Can we try and see if we could just get him off?
Yeah. If you guys could get him off,
yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah, let's get him off. Yeah. We'll get him.
755, do you have two intoxicants out there, or just the one you guys were assigned to?
So that puts the ball in their hands, right? I mean, we're not going to go in there and like drag somebody out of the aircraft with people. Yeah.
49 It must be the subject came off the plane. We will move forward. They must do with airport police. One of them over here.
He has a bag.
Okay.
Identify his bag.
You need to
Are y'all still making
identify his bag. Can you just ask him how does his bag look? So I can grab his bag really quick, please.
Hey, my man. Hey, hold up just a second. Hey, what bag is where was your bag at? Where you were sitting?
Up top.
It was up top. What's it look like?
Give me 2 seconds.
Is it a backpack?
Yeah.
What color is it?
If you hadn't already, go ahead and create these purple calls for
Black and red.
Black and red.
Black and red backpack?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I got you. That's why I was clarifying. There were two balls.
I know her. This is her stuff.
Okay. Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Is this your stuff
yes,
here?
This is all my stuff.
Okay.
This is all my stuff. I promise. You remember what restaurant served you? What restaurant? Give me 2 seconds.
755, go back to channel 2.
What are you looking for? You're just trying to get home? Where's home for you? Down here? Down the jet bridge? Well, what's down there?
It's my home.
Is your home?
Yes.
Okay.
I would not be doing this with you.
Are you want to grab his
Yeah,
bag? Or?
I'm gonna.
Okay.
I'll grab the bag if y'all are fucking tripping.
Alright, well, let's walk down here.
If y'all are fucked up, let's go. Let's go. Let's walk.
Yeah.
I don't need you children acting like this.
Late.
I'm fucking going home.
Late.
Tonight. I'm going home tonight.
You're doing me a favor.
No, I know. And that's what I want you to do.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Get your hands behind your back for me.
Let's do it.
All right. So you're gonna be arrested right now for
What for what?
for public. No. Hey, by law, I've not touched him. I've not touched any of these guys. Hey, I've not touched them. I've not touched them. Hey, this is bullshit. By law, this is bullshit. I did not touch you. I did not fucking touch you, dude. Dude, tase me, then. Relax. Tase me, then, bro. I did not do this. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Relax. What the fuck? Relax. What the fuck? Relax. I can't.
Channel 1 still closed.
What the fuck?
Just relax.
I'm trying to, dude. You're fucking. Alright, are you gonna relax? Dude, I'm trying to. Alright, don't move. Then don't move. You're breaking my goddamn fucking wrist, dude. What the fuck?
Relax.
Stop. I'm not. Ah! 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 He's breaking my arm. He's breaking my arm. I'm not even touching you. Yes, you are!
Relax.
Dude, I can't relax with you on me. What the fuck? Get off of me. Get off! Get off! Ah! God damn it! Somebody fucking God damn it! What the fuck? Y'all are fucking against. This is against law. This is 100% against law. This is 100% against law. I'm gonna fucking sue the fuck out of you.
49
I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you. I'm gonna sue the fuck. I'm not doing anything, bro.
My freaking hip flex.
What the fuck? Please get off
I've been
of
nursing
me.
surgery for 5 weeks.
This is bullshit.
It's gonna be reopened. 749
Dude, I
person's gonna be
literally
in
just come
handcuffs.
up in this shit. Y'all are fucked. I promise you, you guys are so fucked.
Please step
Hey,
in.
quit kicking!
When you step in, I'm in.
Stop fucking doing this! What the fuck are y'all doing? I'm gonna sue the fuck out of y'all. Y'all are so fucked.
I'm gonna put you with 49.
I promise you. Y'all are so fucked.
I'm sure that would describe a breach of the over 31.
Y'all are so fucked.
When officers announced the arrest, the subject resisted immediately. Under established federal and Texas law, physically resisting a lawful arrest is itself a separate criminal offense. The correct remedy for an unlawful arrest is a legal challenge after the fact, never physical resistance at the scene. The force used here is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 standard. Courts examine 3 factors: the severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. In this encounter, all 3 factors supported an elevated level of response. During the restraint, the subject stated he was going to shoot the officers. Under Texas Penal Code Section 22.01, a verbal threat communicated to a specific person constitutes assault. This added an independent criminal charge entirely separate from the original federal offense. The subject repeatedly complained of arm pain and difficulty breathing during restraint. Under the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause, persons in police custody hold a clearly established right to medical care for serious medical needs. This standard was affirmed by the Supreme Court in City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital in 1983. Officers responded appropriately. They repositioned the subject out of the prone position to address the breathing complaint and initiated a medical response via radio. This reflects the updated positional asphyxia protocols that law enforcement agencies nationwide adopted following 2020.
Hey, can somebody help me?
If it's possible, roll them to one side or the other.
Please roll me, bro.
We roll you.
I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to restrain, bro. Please.
We'll wait.
Please help me. Dude, they're literally pushing me down, dude. What the fuck?
How's his breathing?
Like, bro, let me breathe, dog. Like, I'm gonna be helpful to you if you just let me breathe. That's it. That's it. Y'all are fucking pushing on me like a motherfucker, dude.
Hell.
Like, come on, bro. You know this too, dog. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Good. If you're moving, wait. I can't move. I cannot move.
See, you might have to pick him up from the backside.
Not break me.
Hey, we're gonna set you up, okay?
Stand up.
Stand you up. Stand up. Stand up. We're gonna sit you in the chair.
Watch your heads. Watch your heads. Watch your face.
I'm stuck. Oh, no, my shit broken. Hey, my back, the back of my arm. The back of my arm. No, the back of my arms are broken. No, my arms. Oh, my arms. Why is it hurt? No, it hurt. Why does it hurt? You're pushing on me. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to. I'm sitting down. Okay, take my arms. 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 Take it hurts. It hurts. Ow. It hurts, dude. It fucking hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? It hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, dude?
Don't fight the police, bro.
No, bro, I'm not fighting y'all, dude.
That's not what it looks
This is
like.
my spot. Bro, you know this, dog. Come on, bro. I'm sitting right next to you, dude.
I put you there.
You did?
You good, bro?
Sure did.
So you sat me down right here? I fucked up?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Can we stop right here?
No, we're good. No, that's okay, man. We can cross that when we get there.
My wife's not gonna pick me up. What do you mean?
No, you're good, bro.
What do you mean pick me up, bro? Ain't nobody picking me the fuck up over here, dog. I'm fucking stuck. I can't move.
Just have them face together. Put them in. Yeah, right there.
I'm okay, right?
What's up?
I'm okay, right?
Yeah, you good now?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you. That's all. Don't tell me I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. Come on. Hey, bro. Hey. There's no way, bro.
Okay, we're gonna stand you up and you're gonna get in the car, okay?
I can't move. I can't move these legs.
Yeah, we're gonna
I
get
can't
you.
move these legs. So you gotta help me. I can't. Right here, help me stand up. I can't move these.
Hold on,
I
real quick.
cannot.
Hey, quit moving. Hold
Yeah.
on.
Yep.
We're gonna get the stuff out your pockets.
I know. That's why I'm telling y'all I can't move.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, brother. I cannot move. Do what you gotta do.
Your hands good.
Yep. You're gonna have to happen. Man. I understand. Hey, my arm. Hey, hold on. Hey, my arms are stuck. They're stuck. They're stuck. Please help me. Please help me down.
Get your finger out of there.
That's what I want. Bro.
Jackson.
What's up?
Hey, Jackson.
Yeah.
Jackson.
What's up?
Brother.
Huh?
Jackson?
I'm Jackson. Yeah,
You Jackson? Hey, I told him what's up. I was like, hey, please do not remove me from the situation. But I know you need to get me out of the situation, but please, I do not mean to be where I'm at. I want to help you.
Okay.
I know I'm fucked up.
What did you drink?
A little bit of vodka, brother.
Vodka? You take
Yeah.
anything?
No.
You take nothing.
Without any questioning from officers, the subject voluntarily admitted to consuming vodka. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, decided in 1980, spontaneous statements made without police prompting are fully admissible in court. Miranda does not apply. That admission independently supports a public intoxication charge under Texas Penal Code Section 49.02. Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police receive a B. The decision to wait outside the aircraft was sound. The medical response was adequate. The weakness was in restraint coordination. Multiple officers on a single subject without clear command structure generated prolonged pain complaints that create civil liability exposure under Section 1983. The subject receives a C+. His conduct on board created every legal consequence that followed. The verbal threat during arrest added a second independent charge. Credit is given for eventual de-escalation and for not physically striking officers at any point during the encounter. The core lesson resisting a lawful arrest, even one you believe is wrong, converts a civil dispute into a criminal one. Each additional charge filed during the arrest becomes a separate legal battle you must fight independently. Compliance followed by legal challenge through counsel is always the lower risk path.
I'm straight up from, alright, you know where I'm from? New Mexico.
Mexico? Okay.
Man, God shows up.
Good luck, brother. Hey, appreciate it, dog.
I'm trying to hit you.
Hey, get better, man, all right?
I'm trying to, brother.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm fucking a wiggly one.
Get you up, get you in the car.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
And then I cut over to the other side. I took half of it. I'm like,
Let me get my stuff. Let me just. I need to get this.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.